DJ Lorenko, the African finger master in the mix.
To get you through quarantine. Well, here's the DJ that's got the jams on lock.
DJ Lorenko, the African finger master.
DJ Lorenko, the African finger master
It's
in
the
the
hottest
mix.
mix to get you through quarantine.
DJ Lorenko, the African finger master in the mix. DJ Lorenko, the African finger master in the mix.
Lockdown. Well, here's the DJ. It's the hottest mix to get you through quarantine.
DJ Lorenko, the African finger master in the mix. DJ Lorenko, the African finger master in the mix.
It's the hottest mix to get you through quarantine.
DJ Lorenko, the African finger master in the mix.
It's the hottest mix to get you through quarantine.
DJ Lorenko, the African finger master in the mix.